eduze kwami usiyanda umfakabiya. Hayi ngeke. Kwenzakalani eCoast Nation? Kwenzakalani natural?
No, ivunguvungu ngithi yazi ngisho ibhanoni malihamba kuyona into expensive wonke umuntu afuna ukuhamba ngayo engahambi ngetekisi kuba khona igudlugudlu nje phakathi nendlela but we are hopeful. I think isizini yethu iqale kahle kakhulu ibhola esilibukayo lithe ukuhluka kunalelade lisikhalisa but we are very hopeful isizini iyaqala and phela uyasiqonda ukuthi lokho kwenzakala kusixoxela ngequality yePSL ukuthi abantu abaningi manje sefuna bekubuka iEPL league yaphesheya na realize very competitive awusathi makudlala igame very case izoyishaya arrows very case izoshaya amazulu very so content hayi kungenzeka noma yini ukhombisa ibhola lakithi liyakhula.
We saw some fans howling players lapha memeza blah blah blah. Ithini?
No, i-problem yabantu ukuthi they mix ama-emotions ne-flair yobumnandi. Ibhola, it's somewhere that we must find it as a platform to distress, as a platform to support those of the teams that we like and sikwazi ukuthi siba-support ngey'khathi ezindlenane ezimbi. But enye yama-problems ukuthi omunye umuntu usukwenza leya nto isikhathi esiningi ngoba usuke ngekho ebranchini because ama-supporters clubs amaningi I've seen ukuthi have taken i-posture eyaqalwa iyo-ke Kaizer Chiefs belo ukuthi kube khona ama-supporters club where ama-supporters are able to find platform to engage with the management, also put views on solutions that can be assisting on the team, critique the team where they feel ukuthi kufanele kube khona izinto ezisho. So abanye abaningi uthola ukuthi nje kusuka abantu ngempela abantu basemhlabeni abangayi-understand lento ye-code of conduct nanokusebenzisana. Abantu uthetha nje ngoba uyabona usebheje ngomholo wakhe wonke kulezi ndawo lezokubheja usedleka imali akusasikho ukuthi ngempela ngoba honestly ephatheke kabi ngenxa yebhola sekuyizimxhantela izinto ethi mangiphuma la ngabe ngiyothini ngoba ngithathe imali kamashonisa. So thina nje sijabulela ibhola, we still go and buy merchandise, we still go and support ama teams wethu as much as we can. But enye izinto esifisa ukuyikhuza kakhulu balandeli nje bebhola into yokusebenzisa kakhulu kwedames especially uphuzo oludakayo. Sibonile ama challenges amaningi uthothi ibhola lizolithatha idelay ngenxa yokuthi abasilandeli bese besangena abantu abaningi bayasuka la koThekwini beyohlala ngaphandle eFNB Stadium beleba la kuphuza utshwala igcina igame ilimali igcina istadium singagcwalanga. So it's part of the challenges that we have and we are trying to iron out now wonke umuntu siyanxusa nje ukuthi abantu abayiphathe kahle mawubona ngathi usaphatheke kabi musuku egroundini hlala ekhaya ubuke ku-TV until urehabilitate kuphinde ubuyele egroundini.
Do you still have confidence no coach omusha abanye bakhala bathi uyatranslatelwa message ifika ngo-2019 kufanele ifike ngo-2018?
Hawu umuntu okhuluma lezi zinto kusho ukuthi uzama ukuthi nathi abase South Africa bangasebenzi kwabanye amazwe. Sino coach Roland Mkwena osebenza kahle kakhulu in one of the Egyptian countries futhi uzama ukuthi akangatranslate la kafundisa isigibhiti. Sinabadlali abasanda kuhamba nabo TLB they are making good trades outside nabo abadlali umfana lomncane wePirates usanda kuhamba uthi nabo bangahambi because bazotranslateelwa uzongakwazi ukudlala ibhola ngoba ufuna elinda umuntu ozomtranslateela kuyima eqondo ukuthi ufuna enzeni that is chaotic umuntu nje lo okhuluma into engekho but uyabazi abantu njengoba ngisho umuntu mayekhuluma into engena context ukuthi uyithatha phi it becomes a problem. We are confident ukuthi team took a coach yamnikeza ithuba angeke kujudge umuntu ngamidlalo emibili ekube node uwinile then kwaseba nale fall out kulo. So we are really confident ukuthi sizomnika chance. We've given ama coaches the Kaizer Chiefs and other clubs have given ama coaches a chance. We will also give him a fair chance.
My last question, for a very long time Chiefs are constant in terms of winner ama cup. Do you think they can turn things around?
You know, it's the attitude maybe that I think we must deal with because once not just by Chiefs alone. I was once a person who was very critic around the issue of the performance of Bafana Bafana. That how ukuyinikela kwabo emidlalweni kubuka ngathi kukhasa phansi kakhulu. So I think iyadingakala into ye psychosocial mental health kind of a session with abadlali to show them, guys, this is the vision of the club and this is how we want to move forward, and if there are challenges let's deal with them there and there because somehow it's not really a problem enkulu but it's just the issue ukuthi be understand what is their role and what they need to do.
Last question, Upitso Msimane ubuke ngathi udinaye noma ba reviewer indaba ye-offer yakhe not happy nge-offer abayibeke etafuleni. Do you think mhlawumbe uku-undermine uPitso?
Politics yebhola is vast. One would not want to comment and unanganayo understanding yayo. It's something that umuntu ayizwe emoyeni ukuthi this coach was earning this much and this, but if that is reality, I think the bar must be set for any coach, be it national or foreign national, or any coach that will come in as well in South Africa is Ibafana. So there must be a baseline. Like when you are hiring a person, you advertise the position and you put him per annum and the benefits. So I believe that must happen so that it's uniform. Ungabe sengazuthi kuxakwana uthatha umuntu owangaphandle uthatha imali enkulu kanti owasekhaya uthatha kancane. I think if then that is reality, then that is wrong.
Really appreciate it.
Siyabonga kakhulu.